Okay. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, that color looks so good.
Every wash day I like to start with a double cleanse. This time I'm going in with the Living Proof Clarifying Detox Shampoo first, the RedKen Extreme Length Shampoo second, and once the hair is clean, I go in with the RedKen Acidic Color Gloss. Now, the purpose of clarifying is to make sure that you have a clean base. The second shampoo is a benefit shampoo, and next I go in with my gloss, which gives me a lot of shine and finish during the styling process. So you see me here working it in with my fingers, detangling as I can. I slap on the processing cap and leave it on for 5 minutes. Next, for the deep conditioning, I went in with the RedKen Extreme Length Triple Action Hair Mask. Let me tell you, this mask was so nice. It's like a spa experience. It was very tingly on the scalp. It had a lot of slip for detangling. You can see me get excited here. Slap on a processing cap, leave it on for 10 minutes. Next, I went with the Amika Flash Instant Shine Mask because one gloss is not enough, and it's worth every penny. Look at the curls. Amazing. The next product is the Living Proof No-Frizz Smooth Styling Spray, then the Paul Mitchell Super Skin Serum, and I blow everything out using my Revlon blow dryer brush. Using the tension of the round brush, I'm working it down against the roots at first, then I'm working it in the opposite direction, up against the roots, rolling it a few more times, and smoothing out those ends. Once the hair is dried and prepped, I go in with the Kenra Color Maintenance Thermal Spray and top everything off with the Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss as a finisher. Using my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium Flat Iron, rat tail comb, and boar bristle brush, I use this technique here. 2 passes at the roots, long press down to the ends, and I comb it out.
We're on the final stage, so this is after the first pass. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty good. So the first pass I do it on 390, which is very high. I totally understand there's some people who's like, I wouldn't even cook on that temperature, but again, I have type 4 hair, and if I don't use 390, then I'm just putting heat on my hair for helping. So this is my favorite part, so I like to go in and do like a touch-up pass on 300 degrees. This is where we finally go in with the Kenra Platinum Silkening Gloss. And this one has a minor heat protectant of about 300, which is why I lower the temperature to 300. So it's time for the reveal. So far, so good. So my bangs have grown out a little too long. This might be a good time to cut them. Because I've just been rocking them as side bangs because they're a little too long. But yeah, it might be time to cut them actually. There'll be a video for another time. thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if I'm gonna do this again, so enjoy it while you have it. My hair smells really good. Oh. Okay, enough.